IRP as a data service keeps users up to date on utility and community choice aggregators' energy procurement schedules from their integrated resource plans. IRP as a data service goes deeper into energy resource planning, cutting through the noise to deliver verified planning information. Each month, users receive an Excel file displaying 6 tabs of data and dashboards, enabling users to get a detailed breakdown of each utility or CCA's IRP. The Resource Data tab offers users information on megawatt additions and retirements by energy provider and year, as well as insights into IRP resources including solar photovoltaics, offshore wind, demand response, bioenergy, hydro, energy storage, nuclear, natural gas, and coal. Within the Utility Dashboard tab, users can toggle between energy providers, easily viewing planned megawatt additions and retirements by both resource and utility. While the Resource Dashboard provides an interactive heat chart with an accompanying graph displaying all utility and CCA resource procurement over time. The IRP Data tab gives a comprehensive view of each IRP, including the utility's coverage across states, customer counts, and planned requests for proposal dates and descriptions. Associated docket numbers and links, along with data on CO2 emission reduction targets, summer and wintertime peak loads, yearly retail sales, and load forecasts, provide users with an in-depth understanding of each IRP's present and future status.